Hey, my name is Joshua Fulbright, and today we're doing exercise 8, and this section is under robotics. So let's get started with it. What are robotics? Well, a robot is a man-made creation that can hold the same or similar characteristics as humans. It can be intelligent, autonomous, and even have the ability to affect the environment around it. It is comprised of moving parts and computers and is powered by artificial energy. Think about manufacturing factories and robots that pick up certain things and bring it to another location. It can manipulate the environment around it. It's automated. Who is or who are using robots? Well, robots are becoming a standard part of operation in many different kinds of industries. The first to know is the manufacturing industry, like I was saying previously. Many manufacturing companies are replacing real human labor with the artificial labor provided by robotics. This switch allows companies to lower the overhead costs of their work that needs to be completed while also creating a more and efficient environment for their products that they produce. This is an industry where I believe AI and robotic engineers will begin to thrive because obviously it's more efficient, it's more cost effective, and it can really create a better product in the long term as robotics and AI and IoT begin to become stronger and more reliable forms of business operations. Robotics are also being used in transportation, seen in Tesla and other types of self-driving vehicles. Warehousing, obviously, Amazon is using certain types of robotics to get product from one shelf to another and get it to your front porch. And even healthcare, there's certain surgeries that use robotics that can get to the microscopic, or maybe not microscopic, but a small level to really save people's lives. It's becoming such an advanced approach to our common civilization. Robotics is just blowing up in terms of that. So, why are they using robotics? Well, robots have the ability to enter environments that humans cannot even enter. They can accomplish tasks that may be too dangerous or difficult for humans or for people, and they can complete jobs that would take humans hours of strenuous labor in a matter of seconds, minutes, hours, days, all to say it's quicker and robots don't need to sleep. That being said, robots can make the working environments much more efficient. We have already seen similar improvements through AI and the Internet of Things or IoT. However, robots can complete tasks more efficiently in a physical sense. Like I was saying, IoT and AI are more digital. While these things can be compromised and work with the robotics that I'm talking about is a physical sense of adaptability in terms of being able to manufacture and create things physically. The manufacturing industry is a good example, like I was saying, because robots can assemble products faster. It really goes down to efficiency. Reduced errors, it can create things without human error. Obviously, there's robotic error, but that's something that can be tweaked constantly and streamlined to work 24/7 all the time and complete repetitive tasks without becoming tired. It really brings efficiency. Companies will not need to have to pay salaries, bonuses, benefits packages. It really goes down to saving a lot of money. So, where are they using robotics? Well, the global leaders in robotics tend to use robotics for common things that we take for granted. These things include automotive manufacturing, so the cars that we drive, semiconductor production, and other electronic manufacturing. The top three companies, or sorry, the top three countries that I've seen that has adapted robotics the most is it's the Republic of Korea, Singapore, and Germany. These three are the ones that I've seen that has adapted the most. So, when are they using robotics? Well, Asia is the largest market for robotics. In fact, more than half of all robots installed worldwide in 2021 were installed in Asia, primarily in China, Japan, and the Republic of Korea, like I was saying. And here's a chart that goes with what I'm saying. You can see, obviously, it started in 2011. 2021 is more than doubled. How can robotics solve SDG challenges? Well, Robotics can help solve many different SDG challenges and can create innovation by working environments that humans cannot safely enter or by lifting objects that humans cannot. This innovation can create more job opportunities, and with more job opportunities can decrease hunger and poverty. And if you decrease hunger and poverty, it can increase the cognitive ability and ultimately increase the quality of education, which snowballs back into the beginning, creating more and more beneficial tasks. Two truths and a lie. China is the world's largest market for industrial robots. The electrical and electronics industry is one of the largest users of robots in China, and China imports nearly all of its industrial robots because there's very few domestic robotic manufacturers. That one's obviously false. Here are my sources. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.